Have you ever wondered why your voice sounds good today and tomorrow it's completely gone? It's not your vocal fault, it's not even your fault. It's your breath engine. And unless you are able to train your body to be able to support your sound, you keep having this problem over and over again. And so, because of that, we are going to be giving you a 5 minutes breath work that you can do every morning to unlock your voice. Every time some singers tell me when I wake up, my voice, no matter what I do, my voice is horrible. You need to wake up your voice. And when you do this exercise I'm going to give you today, voice will wake up. And if you do it consistently, before you know it, you will no longer have such problem. One of our students complained about it and then placed her on this exercise that I'm going to share with you. And after like 1 week, 2 weeks, she came back and she said, I no longer feel like that anymore. When I wake up, my voice is always red, but I still do this exercise. The first step is that you're going to sit or stand tall. Your hands on your lower ribs. Inhale into your ribs. Wide, not high to your shoulders. Okay, good. Now, inhale for 4 counts. Hold the breath for 4. Now, exhale. You take heat. You can go through this over and over again. Okay? This will build your vocal stamina. Let's do it one more time. Breathe into your ribs. Hold and release. Good. Easy, right? Do this exercise again. On the next exhale, you're going to gently slide your pitch. Okay? And when you're doing that, feel vibrations while staying relaxed. Hold. Let's do it again. Release. As you do it, feel vibrations as you stay relaxed. Okay? Now, you're going to breathe into your ribs. And then when it's coming out, you hiss. Change to do it again. Release. And then the last one, we've added R. The final one is that we're now going to sing. Hold. Release. Come down, Lord. Come down, Lord. Do this every morning and watch your voice unlock. I have a free vocal cavity starter kit. That'll be very good for you. You can download it from the comment section and description box is also going to, you add it with this breadwork, and I'm telling you, you'll be seeing a lot of transformation in your voice. And it also comes with something beautiful, a chance to be able to talk with our coaches at Grace Miki, and we'll help you to get started and overcome that vocal challenge. Want to take it up notch? He also has a 5-year voice signature program whereby singers are able to find and connect to their true voice. Now, there are 3 myths that is destroying the voices of singers. If you want to know about these myths, then you need to watch this next video.